Welcome back, folks. It's your boy Potty McWiz, chef. Today, I'm teaching you how to make the perfect homemade chili. A dish so powerful, your taste buds will celebrate. A recipe so good, you'll need to flush twice just to get it out of your system. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Grab your beans. Kidney, black, pinto doesn't matter. Each one adds a different musical note to your post-dinner symphony. Think of it as jazz, but with more gas. Step 2. Brown the meat. Get it sizzling until your kitchen smells less like sadness and more like a porta potty at a BBQ festival. That's when you know it's right. Step 3. Dump in 2 cans of diced tomatoes, juice and all. Then add about 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of paprika. Mix them all in. Don't be shy, it's like deodorant for your insides. The more you season it, the better it'll cover up all the funky aromas about to come blasting out later. Trust me, this chili needs all the air freshener it can get. Step 4. Turn the heat down low and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes an hour if you've got the patience of a saint. Stir it every now and then so it doesn't stick, kinda like making sure nothing sticks to the side of the bowl, if you know what I mean. The longer it stews, the deeper the flavor and the more powerful the bathroom eruption later. Low and slow. Step 5. Serve it hot. Add cheese, sour cream, or even tortilla chips, basically anything that'll give you an excuse to sit on the can scrolling memes for an extra 20 minutes. And there you have it, the perfect homemade chili. Delicious, hearty, and guaranteed to turn your digestive system into a slip and slide. Bon appetit from Potty McWiz.